for some few years this facility here, which was my house. We designated it to the teachers to use as their quarters for many years. Because of that, there was a problem with the roof on top. The tins were rusted. I'm Samu Wanyaye, Director Divine Care Primary School, and when I contacted James and his wife Kellie, when they were here on their visit, they saw that it was a viable project for us to improve on the roof, which is very good. Through all the effort of Enriching Lives, money was received and we embarked on the project last January. The process of renovating the roof, we had to break and build some areas because this house was a semi-permanent house. Actually, it's a semi-permanent house. We thank God that the roof is on. Thank you so much. And this facility is intended for the teachers to have accommodation. And they are inside there. We have 3 rooms, so teachers will be sharing a 3 room and a living room and a small workroom behind, which is supposed to be a kitchen. So I'm very grateful and on behalf of the project of Divine Care. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Enriching Lives US board. We are very grateful for us here in Uganda. God bless you. God bless you.